Hello, welcome dear students in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study the topic, that is a topic from practical study of types of scales in fishes. So let us start which type of scales are present in the fishes. First one is a placoid scales, then cycloid scales, then ctenoid scales, and fourth one is a ganoid scales. We see these scales one by one. First of all, types of a scale. On the basis of their origin, the scales are divided into two types. First one is a placoid scale and non-placoid scale. In placoid scale, which scales are included from the epidermis as well as the dermis and are characteristically found in all elasmo branch fishes, and non-placoid scale which develop from the dermis only as the scales of a teleostean fishes. The non-placoid scales can be cosmoid, ganoid, cycloid or ctenoid types. First in this diagram we will clear that which type of a scales present or found in a fishes. First diagram, the ctenoid scales, then cycloid scales, then ganoid scales, placoid scales. We see these scales one by one. First one is a placoid scales. The placoid scales are tiny, small, tough scale that cover the skin of a elasmo branches. For example, scaludon or a cartilaginous fishes. This includes shark, rays and other skates. While the placoid scales are similar in some ways to the scales of a bony fishes, they are more like a teeth covered with the hard enamels. Means their teeth is covered with the hard denticles or enamels like substances. The next one is a cycloid scale. In this diagram, we see the actual picture of a cycloid scales. In a cycloid scales showing their overlapping pattern. These scales are thin, transparent and roughly rounded in shape. The scales show the alternating ridges and grooves. The cycloid scales are mostly found in a major calves. For example, Labiorohita, Sirenus vrigala, Ketla are project diagonally in a imbricating pattern forming a protective covering of the body. Then third one is a ganoid scales. The ganoid scales are heavy scales of a various form and shape and found in the primitive actinopterygian fishes as a accipenser, Lepidosteus and Amia, which are also called as a ganoid fishes. The Lepidostean, these scales are a hard rhombic plate like a fitting edge to edge, and in the Amia the scales are soft and have a thin ganoid layer. In this diagram we clear that which type of the scales is known as a ganoid scales. Thank you.